Cessna flying at 100 feet across my street, hanging out. This is like old times, how it always was. I bet people have seen videos, there's like two Cessnas at like a few hundred feet, and they're like, look, he's just an idiot. Left tilt, right tilt. There weren't any Cessnas out here, and then I said, on one of my videos, I said, look, it's clear skies, there's no one out here, because there never was, because they're the only people out here. And then they sent planes out. But before that, there was nothing, because there are no civilians. No one flies out here. Now he's pulsing out into the park toward James Crystal's house. Little left, little right, pulse center, wiggle.